Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you on how to put elements on the end part of your video. Alright, let's get it on. Okay, first off, make sure that you've already logged into your YouTube account. Then after you've logged into your YouTube account, click the YouTube Studio. Then after you've entered the YouTube Studio at the left side of the screen, click Videos. Then choose a video that you want to add an element. Example, I will choose this video. Just click the pencil icon that you see on the screen. Then once you've entered that, at the left side of the screen again, click editor. Okay, and after that, scroll down, click the plus sign to add elements, click apply template, then choose types of template that you want. Example, I will choose this kind of template. Then it will show the three elements on the template. Okay. Then click this part or this element. Then click choose specific video if you want to personally add or choose a video that you want to feature next. Example, this one. Then also in the playlist, if you have the playlist, I will choose this playlist. And you can also set the time frame when or what specific time frame that will these elements will pop up. So example, I'm gonna put 10:28. They will pop up on that certain part of the video. Okay, this is just an example. You can make your or choose your own. Okay, I'm gonna save this here, and here we go. This is now our end screened video. You will going to see this once you play the video. I hope that I was able to help you in this tip, and please let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, clarifications, or anything that you want to feature on our next video. So once again, thank you very much for watching, and see you guys in our next video. Bye bye.
来和仙儿一起玩。